Welcome to the Rider Pro. The Honda XR600R is back, revived, refined, and ready to dominate both dirt and dual sport adventure. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at Honda's newest interpretation of this off-road legend. If you're a fan of classic desert racers or just love rugged trail machines, this one's for you. A brief legacy. Original XR600R earned its reputation through decades of Baja wins, bulletproof reliability, and a no-nonsense design. Riders loved it for its simple mechanics and unstoppable torque. With the new model, Honda aims to bring that same spirit into a modern package, without losing what made the XR iconic. 3 updated design and styling. The new XR600R blends old-school toughness with a fresh, sleek look. You'll notice the modern LED headlight, a slimmer fuel tank, upgraded plastics, and an ergonomically improved seat. Honda clearly wanted to preserve the XR silhouette, while making it more comfortable for long rides. Engine and performance. At its heart is a refined 600cc single-cylinder engine. It's tuned for strong low-end torque, perfect for hill climbs, technical trails, and high-speed desert runs. Riders can expect smoother fuel delivery thanks to updated electronics, along with improved cooling for better endurance on long rides. Suspension and handling. Honda retains the XR's famous long travel suspension, but adds adjustable damping for both front and rear. The new chassis geometry offers better stability at speed while still feeling agile in tight terrain. Whether you're navigating rocky paths or blasting through sand, the handling feels balanced and confidence-inspiring. 6. Modern features. This XR arrives with features the old model never had. Digital display with trip meters. Optional ABS, LED lighting all around. Updated exhaust system for lower emissions. While still simple by modern standards, these additions make the bike more practical without overcomplicating it. 7. Who is it for? The new XR600R is perfect for riders who crave raw, mechanical connection. Those who value durability and versatility over complex technology. It's ideal for weekend trail explorers, long-distance off-roaders, and anyone who appreciates a classic reborn. Final thoughts. Honda's new XR600R pays tribute to its legendary roots while embracing just enough modern engineering to stay relevant. It's tough, capable, and built with the soul of the original. If you've been waiting for a true old-school dirt legend to return, this might be your next motorcycle.